Hello friends, welcome to Kumari Pallavi 19. I am Pallavi. Today I have brought for you Flipkart Big Diwali sale. And this is a haul video. It has many items and I would like to share with you. And I am excited for this video also. Guys, I would like to say you something that these products I have started shopping from through the Letishop. Means first I used to go to the Letishop and from there I used to shop from the Flipkart. So you have also come to know about this Letishop app. It is a cashback app where you get the cash back. So whatever you are getting the discount in the product during the sale, you will get, this is a separate type, you will get extra cashback in addition to that discount. So there will be one video coming separately on the Letishop and I will let you know each and every detail about the Letishop. It is really beneficial. There is a period of getting the cashback and after purchasing you can get the cashback. Cashback is given after a period. Say suppose these days you will get the cashback, after buying the product you can get the cashback. Again it depends upon you whether you will pay the money through cash on delivery or net banking or any other mode. This depends upon you, but once you shop through the Letishop, then you definitely get the cashback. So while shopping in the Flipkart, I found it very benefited and I saw most of the items from today's haul through the Letishop only. So let's move to the video. Okay, one more thing I want to add here, that if you are new to my channel, do subscribe my channel button, press the like button and also share my video as much as you can. Please support me. I am a beginner and I want to go forward with a very good lineup of content. So guys, and hope you like today's video. Please keep watching till the end. The first product in today's haul is the lip balm. I have bought Maybelline New York Baby Lips. First of all, see the packaging. It's a very good packaging and it is from Maybelline. I have brought all the product from my own money and you see, this was from Flipkart only, Maybelline. Nice packaging. It contains 2 lip balms and I got a discounted price. I got it for 164. 31.2 gram was there, 2 lip balms are there here and total is 31.2 gram and I got it at 164 and the return fixed price is 350, MRP is 350 and during the sale I got it a discount and I am very happy. So let's open it and show you what are those 2 lip balms. So this one, these 2 are the lip balms. This one baby lips color, Maybelline New York Baby Lips color. One is the Cherry Kiss and this one is a Cherry Kiss and this one is Pink Lolita. They have named it differently. So I have used it, this one Pink Lolita I have used and I found it moisturizing. It's a very good and the amount is also maximum amount. So you can definitely go for this, guys. Then the next product in this video is the body lotion. I have brought this one, Parachute Advanced Soft Touch Body Lotion. This one at 124 rupees. I have bought this body lotion. It consists of 400 ml of product. So during the sale, as I have told you, that the price reduces to a very lowest one. So you can definitely buy this one. It contains 100%. It is a 100% natural moisturizer with pure coconut milk, honey, silky, smooth skin. The third product is the Nivea cream. So this one is a huge tub. It is of 300 ml tub and I got it at a discounted rate. I bought it for 189 rupees. Then it actually its MRP is 400. Yes, 399. So its MRP is 399 and I bought it for 189. This fragrance is amazing. I like the fragrance, and also it moisturizes the skin well. So I have used it and it is open, you can see. Everybody in our house is using this and it's a very good, and the fragrance is really awesome. Means I don't like too much of fragrance. Mild fragrance is means I like mild fragrance and it is good, and I found it very beneficial. So this was a huge tub that I got during the sale and I'm very happy with it. Then this one is a soft moisturizer. Actually I have oily skin, so I prefer soft moisturizer only. If you have, means moisturizers vary from skin to skin. If you have dry moisturizer, you can look for a dry means thick moisturizer. So as I have oily skin, I prefer to go a very means soft moisturizer. So I have bought this one, and I found, and I am used to it now. It is, I liked it very much. The next product is a scissor which I brought from the sale. So this one is a Munich scissor and I got it at a discounted price of 116 rupees. This one 116 rupees. Actual price was above 200 and I got it in a much discounted rate. So this one is the Munich scissor. I found it quite good. This one is Munich SL 1160 stainless steel, made in India product. So you can go for it. Now if possible I will search in the site, then I will give you the link and also the money, means price, what was the actual price, but I got it at a discounted price 116. Yeah, it's a good amount that was on a discounted rate. The next product is a almond badam. This one almond badam. It is Happy-Lo, 100% natural premium Californian almonds, and raw vegan, origin is USA, and it contains high protein, dietary fiber, zero trans fat, zero cholesterol, no gluten, non-GMO. So it is a very natural product, organic product, and I have eaten this one and it's good. Its quality is very rich and it differs from the local market ones, means it is quite good in comparison to the local market. So this one, it is quite tastier. Then I have it, and coming to the price, I got it at 182 rupees. It was a discounted rate. The actual price is 275, and it is I got it for magnifying, that is 1910-20, and it is up to 1910-21. So 1 year, I have got it for 1 year, means before October 2021 we can eat it up to October 2021. So 1 year shelf life, it is very good. I have bought this from the Flipkart. I have bought for the first time and I found it quite good. Quality is very rich. You can go for it if you want to buy. So the next product is a calculator. This one, it is Casio HL 815L BK portable basic calculator. So it becomes quite easier for us to use a calculator while doing so much of calculations on grocery items, means after buying from the market. So I bought it. I will open it for you to show you. This one is a calculator. This one, it is very pocket friendly and it is of my palm size. So this one, it is operating on button is there, off button is there. It is means actually it is pocket friendly and it is very handy, so I have bought this one. Yeah, it is, I got it at a discounted rate and at 117 rupees, and its actual price is 215 rupees. So I have, means it was quite affordable, and it's a very good product and I am using it. Next product is a gulab gel, Gulabari rose water, and it is of about 750 ml. I got it for 144 and its actual price is 325. This is the packaging. I have not opened the packaging, only to shoot this video for you, so that I can show you this how was the packaging. So I am quite impressed with this packaging and also with the Maybelline packaging. So it is this one. I can open for you now. This is the whole tub. It consists of 250 ml each. Yes, its MRP is 70, means one bottle consists of 75, and I have got 3 bottles at 144. Yeah, and total price was 325. So this one. So this can be used as toner also. Then again we can use regularly this gulab gel. So the next product is a face wash from Lotus. So this one is the face wash, Lotus Herbals. This is the Lotus White Glow 3-in-1 deep cleansing skin whitening facial foam face wash, and the actual price was 225. I got it for 152 during the sale. So the ingredients list are given here, on the back of the product, and this one I have used earlier also. This is, I have bought in maximum time of online only. Once I have bought it from the Lotus site also, and I found it, yes, it cleanses well, you can go for it, but it contains paraben. So mostly we prefer paraben free products, but it contains paraben, and if you can go for it. I am just sharing with you this one, Lotus Herbal. The next product is a foundation. It is a mousse foundation from Lakme only, Lakme 925 weightless mousse foundation. This one, this is, sorry, this is a small tub. This one, this is a small tub, and it contains 6 gram of product, and it's, I got at rupees 105 rupees. So this is small tub. It is also pocket friendly. You can easily carry in your handbags while you are traveling, and very easily, and I have used it earlier. So this one, this time I didn't found a big one in this site, so I have bought a small one. The next product is the eyeliner, Faces Canada Magnetic Ice Eyeliner, Dramatic Black Finish, Smudge and Water Resistant, Feeder Light, Pinpoint Precision. This one. This one is the eyeliner. So one thing I would like to share, that this one was opened when I opened the parcel. This seal was open actually. I don't know why. I am little bit disappointed with the packaging. This one. It consists of 3.5 ml of product. I got it for 133 rupees at the discounted, but its actual price is 249, which is written on the back of the product. This one. I can show you the tip now. This one, it is jet black. You can go for it, and I got it at much at a discounted rate. This one. Next I have bought 2 more things from Flipkart. That one is a sweater and another is a bag, handbag. So this one. This is Urban Trend Women pink shoulder bag. I got it for 267, but the listed price was 999. So I got many compartments. I have opened this, but I have not used it till now. This one, it is quite handy and its quality is also good. I can highly recommend you for this. So the next product is a sweater which I have brought during the sale, and it accounts for 368 rupees. The actual price was 1099. This one, this one. So it's a jacket, Pival full sleeve printed women jacket, 365. I have tried it once, and after buying, I have not washed till now, and it's very good. You get fur, and I hope this winter it would keep me safe from the cool. Okay, this one is the nice. It is really nice. Thank you so much guys for patiently watching this video, and some details will be given in the description box, so please check the description box also. If you like the whole video, please comment on the comment section below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram also. Thank you so much. Bye guys.